Dental hygiene is a major budget item with toothpaste, dental floss, mouthwash, teeth cleaning, and dental visits taking a big bite out of the family budget. Avoiding the dentist by having strong teeth and practicing natural hygiene is a good self-care strategy. This tooth powder is rich in herbal, antimicrobials as well as trace minerals and calcium that your teeth need to remineralize and remain strong. DIY herbal tooth powder can be part of healthy self-care program that works to keep your teeth strong and avoid unnecessary dental trauma. Watching this video till the end, you will get a clear idea how it will help you. So, without any further delay, let's get started.
Today I am going to share you a herbal tooth powder for all kinds of dental problem. To prepare this, we need neem leaf powder 100 grams, cinnamon 8 grams, cloves 8 grams, sea salt 25 grams, stevia 10 grams. To prepare this neem powder, we have to take neem leaves, wash them neatly by rubbing both the sides because all the dirt and everything will be collected on these layers. So we have to dry them under shade or any corner of the house for 4 to 5 days until they become completely dry. And when they dried completely, we need to grind them and sieve to extract the fine powder like this. This neem powder will help to make your gums and teeth stronger and by preventing all the dental infections. This neem powder also helps in relieving toothache. It will improve your dental health. The bacteria that cause bad breath will do more than just make your breath unpleasant. It can also do damage to your teeth and gums. And to that, the fact that the cinnamon is another great source of calcium and vital nutrients for the health of your teeth, and this cinnamon can really do wonders for oral health. And our next ingredient in this herbal tooth powder is cloves. These cloves are the natural ingredient which plays an essential role in keeping teeth germ free, all shining and refreshing. And finally we are using sea salt. This sea salt contains fluoride, which is beneficial for promoting dental health. This fluoride aids in protecting the teeth from acidic damage and prevents the development of caries and cavities in the teeth. To prepare this, we need to add 8 grams of cloves and 8 grams of cinnamon stick. We will just break it into the pieces and we will add it. And finally we will add 25 grams of sea salt. And next we are adding, this is stevia. We are just adding for reducing the bitterness of this neem leaves, and this by adding this stevia is completely optional. Diabetic patients also can use this stevia because it is completely sugar free. It is just a flavor. And now we are going to blend all these things into fine powder. Here is our blended powder, and now we are going to sieve this. And this is the thick form when we can use it by again sieving it by smashing all the lumps. We will discard this one. And to this fine powder, we are going to add neem leaves powder. We will sieve this also. See, here is the small sticks we are going to remove because it will cause some discomfort while brushing. And we have to mix all the ingredients in order to mix well, as this herbal powder is very healthy for the gums and for the tooth cavities. Daily replace this herbal powder of 1 small teaspoon with your regular paste, as it helps to relieve from bad breath, tooth cavities and bleeding gums, etc. All the ingredients are mixed well. Store this in a airtight container and this will preserve for 3 months, and no need to refrigerate it. You can just use it as usual in place of the toothpaste. So do make this herbal tooth powder and get benefited for your healthy teeth and gums.
Did you find this video helpful? Give a thumbs up. If you already subscribed, please hit the bell button for latest videos. What type of remedy would you like to see in the next video? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.